Best Budget Wi-Fi Range Extender. The NetRange X500 Wi-Fi Range Extender is considered as one of the best budget options in 2025 for expanding your wireless network coverage. Its compact design with dual external antennas ensures extended reach, making it perfect for homes with dead spot or weak signals. Easy to set up via a web interface or mobile app. The X500 connects seamlessly to your existing router, offering both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz support for faster speeds and reduced interference. While it may lack advanced features like MU-MIMO, its affordable price and reliable performance make it ideal for everyday use. I think this was it about best budget Wi-Fi range extender. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.